Hello, it's Martin, and I want to speak about my Ifixit kit. Now, Ifixit, it has a right to repair. You have the right to repair for all your electronics. When you buy extended warranty, that's pretty much the company saying, right, we just want more money out of you. You have the right to repair. There's many videos where you can look at people disconnecting electronics on opening it. I made a video just recently about that, of me opening up a laptop. I use my Ifixit, and it's one of these amazing toolkits, and I'm going to tell you why. So I'm going to start with a statement from the Ifixit website, and I quote, I'll have it on the screen as well so you can see it. Ifixit is a wiki-based site that teaches people how to fix almost anything, and anyone can create and repair manuals for a device, and anyone can also edit an existing set of manuals to improve them. Our site to empower individuals to share their technical knowledge and the rest of the world. So, what do you get in an Ifixit kit? Quite a lot, actually. So you get an anti-static strap, which I actually have never used, which is, maybe I should, but I saw recently a video and they literally almost killed the anti-shock things, and devices are quite resilient, so I've never need to use it. So you get this suction cup. So this suction cup is based on, if you've got like a screen, I'm not going to do it on my phone, sorry. Where's my iPad? Look, this iPad's dead. I need to actually repair it. I actually might make a video on how to replace the battery. I will watch a video on how to do that, but I'm going to see if I can do it. So I have to get stuff for that. So it might be a future video. So what it does is, if you have a screen here, and you can tear the screen off, because most screens can come off and you can see the electronics of it. So yeah, so that's based on that. So you get these, I don't even know what they're called. I have it on the screen. Or what they're actually physically called. So this thing is for, like, let's take this laptop that I have kicking around just here, going around the laptop and like getting all the clips out, getting in between the electronics. But you don't want to break the clips, so that's for more prizing tools. So you get 3 of those. You get, I'm going to cook a guitar pick. So this is also based on like going around the device and like more prizing tools to protect those clips. Basically all these things is to open these devices up safely and without breaking it. You get what's the word? So basically you, I'm trying to think what it's called. So basically you lift up a screw, so with, I'll use that thing for example, and it holds it. You don't have to do anything. So if you got a screw then and it's very fiddly to get in this world, you basically can just lap on that screw and it will hold it for you to get it out safely. You get 2 sets of tweezers. So your first tweezers is these tweezers here. So basically more for like lifting things up, or screws that get, if you open laptops or computers, you know for a fact that screw is going down and thinking, how am I going to get that? This is for that. Or lifting up whipping cables gently, because some laptops, well actually all laptops, I don't know about the new ones, but some old ones have got these really delicate wimble cables that are connected to the keyboard, let's say the keyboard, and it's very delicate. So I would use that to make it very delicate. Okay. So these were the straight ones, and these are the round ones. So they're like kind of curved. So basically more for screws or ribbon cables. I've probably used 20% of this kit. I haven't had the need yet, but it's the value. More tools, so this is for like the pointy end. It's for like putting into like the back into the wooden cable I'd use, or lifting that very delicate clip of the ribbon cable, like prize it enough because it's very delicate plastic, so I would use this. This is more, I have no idea what this is. No idea. It's more prizing tools. There's a hook at the end. I have no idea what people use it for. This metal thing, I haven't had it used it, but I think it's more prizing. It's more heavy duty. And then this is called the jig. So the jig is supposed to go round the laptop. Let's see. And basically you can get in there. And you can give it a good whack. Not a whack, sorry. A nice gentle lift up. So I would use this more. This would be the first one I would go for. And then you get the 64 tools. Now there's 64 of them here, and you get like this thing is a very, I think it's aluminium. Yeah, it's aluminium, and basically it's very durable. It's got a wee turn thing, so you can turn it and hold it. This one is quite freely. And you get this extender. I've not used it. I used it once and gave up on it, so I thought, oh, I'll leave this. But there's an extender. It's clips onto it, and then you can like get weird. I think you're at 180 degrees. So 0 to 180 degrees. I don't want to go too far. These are quite durable kits, so let's go for it. Ah, yeah. So that's way more than 120. Oh. So yeah. And then you get all these toolkits. Now I have already used, you get like special ones. Where are these special ones? Oh yeah, these ones. These are called security. So basically it's a hexagon goal, and it's got a hole in the middle. So basically it's used for security screw kit. I have seen on YouTube where people have this kit and they've done laptops bright up. If you look up any like YouTube videos, they always got this because it's got everything they need for that job they're doing. So yeah, so very broad in what they need. So everything, not broad, I can't think of the word aside. But yeah, everything you need for that job that they're like, either taking part of a laptop or building a computer or fixing a phone, or the list goes on. You can look up any tech YouTuber and they 9 times out of 10 they would have this kit. Now, why should you buy this kit? This kit is priced at $59.99. No, I do have a number on my phone. Yeah, I saw it $15.99. Why should you buy this kit? It's quite expensive, but it's an investment. It's an investment kit. You buy it for life. You would never have to ever buy like this kind of kit. And if you can't find a job this discount to, well, Ifixit needs to sort that out. Just give them an email saying, oh, I had this free job, and tell them when they might make a kit. Why not? But if you got any doing tech, phone base, if you're starting a phone base repair shop, I know we're in a pandemic at the moment and things are slowing down, but things might open up. I'm hoping things will open up. And if you're going to start, well, I'm going to start myself a new phone shop, repair shop, buy this kit. Now they do come in, this one was one kit, but Ifixit have many kits. I'll have a link and I'll show a wee video in edit with all the different kits. And they have many different sizes at different price, so whatever suits your need, buy it. I bought this one because it suits my need. If you want to start your own YouTube channel like I've done, Ifixit repair stuff, yeah, why not buy it? It's an investment. You're not going to buy one again. I did I described for the video, and later on I bought some cheap ones off AliExpress, and I'm going to compare this kit to this one, and the ones I picked I thought was the most suitable ones. It's just more pride into it, so you can't have more pride into it if I'm fixing like clients' computers, or client computer or phone. I wouldn't use phone yet. I might do, but if you got client will come in and say, right, I've got a laptop, can you repair it? I would always buy this kit, but I also have that kit on the side just in case, because I may have this jig here on one side of the laptop, and I'm thinking, that's in there, if I get this off, it's going to take me another 10 minutes, or let's say 10 minutes, I need to get another one, so I do have 2 of these, and I will compare the 2 kits together and see what in their opinion of it. So yes, this is why you should buy an Ifixit kit, and you get this wee organizer, tray organizer. Yeah, I'm going to say tray organizer, so you can like organize your screws. It's got like holes. Yeah, so basically it's lifted up. And you can like put like organize your screws and what you need. It's quite handy for that, because if you've lost that one screw for that laptop, you either have to go and buy a packet or just leave it. I have seen that done where you like undo like old screws of laptops, and you put it all back and it's like, where's that one missing? So either on the floor missing, but at least there's like this screw organizer and you can put it all in there and it won't get lost. So it might, but the chance of that is very high, or is it low? Very low, sorry. The chance of that is low, but it's still possible if you pick up a screw and then someone speaks to you or you get nudged. Accidents do happen. So yeah. So this is why you should buy an Ifixit, and I'll see you in the next video.